Topic 5 through 8 benchmark test. First question. Mockingbird Elementary School has a total of 224 students in the 4th grade. There are 8 classes, each with the same number of students. How many students are in each class? A. 24 students. B. 28 students. C. 30 students. D. 32 students. Number 2. Mrs. Mitchell uses 1,104 tubes of paint to make supply packs for her art class. She puts 6 tubes in each pack. How many supply packs did Mrs. Mitchell make? A. 200 packs. B. 184 packs. C. 109 packs. D. 19 packs. Number 3. Jose has 396 trading cards. If he puts the cards equally into 8 albums, estimate how many cards will be in each album. A. About 60. B. About 50. C. About 40. D. About 30. Number 4. Leona makes 13 friendship bracelets in 1 hour. She estimates that at this rate, she can make about 50 bracelets in 5 hours. Is her estimate reasonable? A. Yes, she correctly rounded 5 to 10. B. Yes, she correctly rounded 13 to 10. C. No, she should have rounded 13 to 20. D. No, she should not have rounded. Number 5. A student travels to and from school 12 times. Each round trip is 14 miles. Estimate how many miles the student travels in all. A. About 25 miles. B. About 27 miles. C. About 150 miles. D. About 225 miles. Number 6. There are 13 girls on Janelle's soccer team. Uniforms cost $32 each. Which equation gives the best estimate of about how much money the team spent on uniforms? A. 5 times $35 equals $175. B. 10 times $30 equals $300. C. 20 times 30 equals $600. D. 20 times 32 equals $640. Number 7. Leroy is packaging 53 muffins for a bake sale. He puts 8 muffins in each package. How many muffins will be left over? A. 5 muffins. B. 6 muffins. C. 7 muffins. Or D. 45 muffins. Number 8. Suki is making 8 clay pots in art class. 3 are finished. She has 75 minutes left to work and wants to spend an equal amount of time on each remaining pot. Which is the best way to find how many minutes Suki should spend on each remaining pot? A. Divide 75 by 8. B. Subtract 3 from 8 and divide by 75. C. Divide 75 by the difference between 8 and 3. D. Divide 75 by 3. Number 9. A class of 25 students is planning a trip to a museum. Tickets are $7 each. 3 students canceled the day before the trip. Which is a good way to find how much the class will now spend on tickets for the trip. A. Multiply 25 by 7 and then subtract 3. B. Multiply 25 by 7 and then divide by 3. C. Subtract 3 from 7 and then multiply by 25. D. Subtract 3 from 25 and then multiply by 7. Number 10. To find 40 times 600, Maria first found 4 times 6 equals 24. How many zeros should Maria include in the product? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. 11. A meat company can make 40 meatballs from one package of meat. If the company uses 50 packages of meat, how many meatballs can be made? A. 90 meatballs, B. 200 meatballs, C. 900 meatballs, D. 2,000 meatballs. Number 12. Miss Jones drinks 70 glasses of water every week. How many glasses of water will she drink in 60 weeks? A. 130 glasses of water, B. 420 glasses of water, C. 4,200 glasses of water, D. 42,000 glasses of water. 13. Judy has 12 books of stamps. There are 80 stamps in each book. How many stamps does Judy have? A. 96 stamps, B. 816 stamps, C. 906 stamps, D. 960 stamps. Number 14. Mr. Sun's students are using part of their field trip fund to see a play. The ticket costs $12 each. If 23 students go, how much will the class spend on tickets? A. $216, B. $230, C. $253, D. $276.